So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it add to the occasion. If you're just joining us, we are already... Has a pop! He's pulled off a fine save!
Coman is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
Reguilon gets it away. And it's Shaw. Shaw plays a clever pass.
Oh, it's die-hard defence and the willingness to put his body on the line. Very impressive.
Aurier. He's got away. Now the counter. Coman! Coman! They score! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Still a fragile lead though, they can't afford to sit on this.
Tried to play it through.
Peter, his body shape was a giveaway before he made the pass, and its obviousness was appreciated.
Hoists it high. And it's hoisted clear. Shaw. Gerrard. Dele Alli with a good steal, well played. Lucas Moura plays it forward. He's through, now is he in? Tries a shot!
I can't speak highly enough of the keeper after that save. Can't stop thinking about it.
Oh, that's clearly not what he wanted to do. And it's Dele Alli. And that's sprayed out wide. Up for the header! He's got away with one there.
That's just front foot enforcement. Pressure leads to mistake, leads to chance.
Aurier. Højbjerg. And here's Dele Alli. It's Son Heung-min! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Well, he did get himself into a good position, something for him to cling to.
Ronaldinho. Mane. Alderweireld tries to clear. And it's half-time here. So there you have it, a close sport, hard of football, but still had its moments, and ultimately produced just one goal. decent game after. First half thoughts?
At least Peter, not conceding another goal, has kept them in this game, and they can up their response in this second half.
Leading 1-0 at the break. So we're already into the second period.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
And here's Lucas Moura. Could be a chance. Dele Alli! Oh, that is very close.
Yeah, the shot was enabled, Peter, due to such smart control and technique.
It's Ronaldinho. Van Basten. Alderweireld battles to win it back. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Now it's Van Basten. Koeman going through. Koeman! A two-goal lead, and they're firmly in control.
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances of turning 2 into 3.
Given such an open invitation, he was always going to shoot.
It's rarely a problem when that much time is afforded in the penalty box. Nobody sensed where the danger was lurking, and the finish was made a lot easier.
He's made it 3. Quite a day at the office for him.
Oh, this and
Body! They scored! Surely now they are well and truly out of sight.
And as soon as they made that error in midfield, they didn't have time to react before the ball hit the net. Very much a lesson learned. No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
Van Basten. Mane. Oh, he's... Mane! Højbjerg. Wijnaldum tries to get it forward quickly. Mane, cut out in the nick of time. Reguilon. Son Heung-min. Dele Alli. And here's Kane. Brought forward. What does he try from here? Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. Kane gets it back. De Gea deals with it effortlessly. Stefan de Vrij. Into the channel. Koeman.
Koeman, well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the match.
Gerrard does well there, alert. Reguilon. And it's Son Heung-min. Done very well to intervene. And it's played forward. Son Heung-min. Reguilon. That'll be a throw-in. And it's Son Heung-min. Højbjerg. Over to the left. Has a hit! whistle has gone, and it is all over. Great day for attacking football. The artists have painted their pretty pictures. Only one team in it.